This is how you actually make money with affiliate marketing today. This is one of our communities on Skool.com, and in here we can see some of our students. For example, Richard, 2 weeks ago, he posted that he made $8,000 in pure profit in under 2 weeks. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today, the exact system that Richard and some of our other students are using to make like $8,000 in under 2 weeks. This is going to be a short video, but straight to the details. And by the way, I'm not trying to say anything. I'll be showing you the exact system for free. And just for the record, our company Profit Avengers is generating $1 to $5 million every year in affiliate commissions. I'm showing you this not to brag about, but to show you that we're actually people who do what we preach. In order to make money as a complete beginner with affiliate marketing, you need to register for ClickBank or Digistore24. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform. Once you register here, first step, go over to the marketplace and start looking through all of these affiliate offers. You should select something that has average order per conversion more than $60. So this is $180. This is pretty good. Let's take this as an example. Usually what I would do before I promote anything, I would purchase the product myself to see if it's any good, or I would contact the affiliate page or the sales page, or here's the contact. I'll send them an email and ask them about the product. These are the product vendors to tell me more about it, or even if they can send me a free sample. This is called Mytolin or something like that. So I'm actually going to copy this, or let's open it on a new tab. So I'm going to click this title. There we go. And I'm going to click get affiliate links right here at the top right. And I'm going to generate I have to type my affiliate nickname, CSISS. There we go. That's my nickname, one of my nicknames. So I'm going to hit continue. And my links are encrypted down here below. I'm going to copy the link, open a new tab, paste the link. And guys, if I'm talking too fast, please pause the video a couple of times, rewatch it, but I have a lot of things to cover, so that's why I'm trying to rush it through. So Mytolin or whatever the name is, this is it. So some supplement, all right, and it helps you with metabolic power, basically maybe to lose weight, to speed up your metabolism, to boost it. That's good, that's good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna copy the domain name. That's your next step. Copy the domain name of the actual offer vendor. And then what we need to do is to find how other people are promoting this product. In other words, we don't want to start from scratch. We want to see what others are using and how others are promoting this product in order to make money. So for that purpose, we're going to go over the facebook.com library or Facebook ads library here. It's facebook.com/ads/library. And I'm going to paste the domain name straight in here, like this, and see if we have any results come up. And yes, we have 13 results, which is not enough, but still is something that is going to tell us how people are promoting these products. Okay, there we go. This is the product, Mytolin. Okay, this as well, this is AI generated image. I can tell that for sure. Yes, you can have desserts and lose weight. You can now take this ad as an example, click learn more, and study how they're selling it. Okay, they're selling it through a sales page. This is called a bridge page. And if I click check availability, I'm going to be redirected to the ClickBank page, probably. Yes, see, I'm redirected to the final page. But as I don't know if you've noticed, but the domain name here is mytolin.com. And if I go back, this page is called Tessa with how or whatever name. So they use a different sales page. And the purpose of this sales page or bridge page is to warm people up about a product, to spark desire in people's brains in order to buy this. Okay. Now, because we've tested more than $2 million because we've spent more than $2 million in ads to test different landing pages, now I'm going to give you one that works the best across all offers that we run. This page might be working, study it, that's fine. But the page that works the best for us, this is the actual page. Very engaging, very simple page. Big title, a thumbnail of a weird video, and a quiz below. So this is about the offer that I used to promote a couple of months ago, and it's about DIY device that produces energy. And here my title says, insanely cool, 100-year-old device makes solar panels obsolete. So basically this device is going to help you to create your own energy, and it's a thumbnail of a video. This is actually an image. When people click it, they will be redirected to the actual offer. So this, I've changed the offers. Okay, this is a different offer, but that's how it works. So let me go back. On top of that, I have a small quiz here. This is to spark engagement. These are small commitments that people have to make. In other words, to make them more engaged with the brand or the offer. The more time people spend on your website, the more they're engaged and the more willing they will be to buy the product, or they're going to be potential customers. So they can, this is very short quiz, boom, as you can see. And again, it redirects to the actual offer, which I have swapped it. It's not the same offer anymore. This landing page called bridge page, quiz page, is created in a very simple way. And I'm going to give you this page as a gift, so you can download this page for yourself and you can edit it a little bit. You can change the images, the text. You can download this image by the link down in the description below. Not image, but the page. And again, you have to change everything to match just, let's say, Mouthtoe or whatever offer you're going to promote. Mytulin. So now that you have the offer, you have the landing page. The final part is to bring traffic to this landing page. A lot of people might not like this, but we use mostly Facebook. And Facebook, I know people don't like it, you have to spend money, but Facebook made us millions of dollars throughout all of these years. Like I told you, like every year we're netting from like $1 million, $2 million to some years $5 to $6 million in affiliate commissions. I would recommend to create and split test, always split test. It's the best thing you can do is to test different pages. You can test this one, and also you can test the one that we found, which was, where was it? This one. This is kind of an advertorial page. You can test different variants of these pages, and we make these pages with the software I'm going to be providing you, which is called the System 304. You can drag and drop elements, change the titles, etc. So final part is, once you have this page, the one I'm going to be sending you, Insanely Cool, is to change it to fit the offer that you like. And how you can do it, basically you can highlight the domain name right here, copy the domain name, go to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT tell the chatbot this prompt: please study this affiliate bridge page and change the text and images to fit a different affiliate offer code. What was the name again? Mytulin, which is in parentheses. What was it? Metabolism booster. Don't quote me on the misspells, guys. And here's the page. Boom, I'm pasting the URL of the page. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter, and let's see, ChatGPT AI is gonna do wonders for us. There we go. See, pulled up the title, Insanely Cool, 100-year-old device makes solar panels obsolete. Some images, a short taser, okay, discover the key to an infinite energy, blah, blah, blah. So next steps, ChatGPT gives you steps for customizing for Mytulin or Metabolism Booster. Headline: replace energy solar themed copy with metabolism. Okay, so incredible discovery, 100-year-old ritual that ignites your metabolism naturally. Look at this. Already gave you step-by-step detailed information on how to change the page. All right, there we go. So you follow ChatGPT and you should be ready to go. This is what our students are doing. We use ChatGPT, we use AI for all our copywriting and for all of our graphics. Final part is, once you have the landing page ready to go, you go to Facebook ads. Yes, you have to sign up for Facebook ads. And here you have to do a very simple thing. We do AI ads. What that means is now Facebook has AI building into the algorithm, and AI finds customers for your offer. So what we're gonna do is hit create a campaign here. We wanna do sales at the bottom, okay? We're gonna hit continue. This is what you're going to see, and on the top right corner you see this campaign recommendations is the Advantage Plus sales campaign is on. That's what you need. This is the AI of Facebook. So leave it. Everything is gonna be actually tweaked by the AI placements, audience, and budgets, and as you can see, you can read it. Hit next. That's what you need. Now I'm going to split test completely blank like this. Usually that's how we start, split testing completely blank, and we're only leaving the Advantage Plus to predict who are going to be the best customers for the targeting. Then we're going to click next, and in here you have to select or create your actual ad. And for the actual ad, what you need to do is go and study what works. So go back to Facebook and study the ad we saw. So this one, let's see, this one is has been running for the past 10 days. It's live after August 18th, and you can see the ad copy right here. Look at it. It's a long ad copy. So what we need to do, or what you can do, study the ad copy or copy it, highlight the ad copy right here, copy it, and go back to ChatGPT again. Where is it? And now I'm going to tell the bot, please spin this Facebook ad copy like this. I'm gonna paste it as it is, and then I'm gonna actually tell the tool, please complete this ad copy and make it engaging and curiosity driven. The purpose of the ad is to spark a desire in people's minds. There we go. And don't quote me on this, guys, because there you go, curiosity driven, and I'm gonna hit enter. So now it's gonna spin the text. There you go, version 1, the secret shift. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a tiny shift that fits into your life, one that makes you feel lighter, shaper, and even slip back into clothes you thought were gone for good. All right, so we have a bunch of these, and now I can simply copy one of these and paste it inside Facebook, right? But now we need an image, and for the image, again, we're gonna be using the AI. So now I'm gonna ask the AI, can you create me a square image that matches the ad copy above? The image should be in a pattern interrupt way. Hit enter. So actually it gave me an image with text, which I don't like, so I'm gonna actually prompt another thing. I don't need image with text. I need image of real people doing something in real life. Maybe trying to lose weight or something similar. They need to look surprised. There we go. So now it's going to generate another image. Let's see if this one is going to work. Oh, this image looks pretty good, guys, to be honest with you. She's actually surprised that she can fit in her jeans. And the guy, her husband probably is also surprised. I like this one. This might actually work. I might even use this in my own campaigns, to be honest with you. So yeah, ChatGPT, very powerful. That's what you need. This is the system, guys. An offer, and then a landing page, used as a bridge page, and then the ad from Facebook. That's it. Now, it might take you a couple of days or even weeks to split test different variants of the ad and the landing page. I'm not saying that you're going to have success overnight, or overnight you're going to be a millionaire or become rich. No, you need to test. Once you test, once you find a winner, then you can double down, triple down on this winner and put a lot of budget on this same winner, and the winner is gonna make you a ton of money. At least this is the case with us and most of our students. And talking about students, if you wanna check out our training, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. But again, I'm not trying to sell you anything, it's just up to you. If you wanna speed the process, if you don't wanna do it on your own, the links to my community and to my program are down in the description below. So that's pretty much it. Pause the video, watch it a couple of more times, then set up everything and start making some money. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.